Maligayang pagdating sa Good Food Farm, Igorot Village.
When we were planning to build the Igorot village, we don't want to get old houses, yung ancestral houses from the highlands, because sabi ko parang ninanako natin kultura nila pagkatanggalin natin yung kanilang mga old houses. Wala na matitira. In fact, I just went to Banawe the other week. Halos wala ka na makitang traditional houses doon. So we want to promote the culture, the tradition of building traditional houses. So we got a group of Igorot craftsmen from Banawe to construct this out of recycled wood. Hindi kami pumatay ng punong kahoy, no? We use recycled wood, and then they constructed this village, no?
Truly, this is a very outstanding accomplishment. You have been operating for more than 3 years now, and I hope and pray that you will maintain this place for 4.5 hectare property as a DOT accredited, no? DOT accredited. It's like a 4-star, 3-star area, no? In this place of the in this area, the 4th district of the province of Laguna. Mabuhay ang Philippine tourism. Wow! Wow, Philippines! I love the Philippines. Philippine tourism, Philippine heritage, Philippine culture and arts. Mabuhay ang lalawigan ng Laguna.